Hello guys! Today in this video, I will show you how to create a demo for the rental property application form by using Quiz and Survey Master, which is the best WordPress plugin. So let's get started. To create a rental application form, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress websites and to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick disposable WordPress website in no time. I have already installed the QSM plugin on my website. Let's start by creating an application form. Number 1. Hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. And then, once you click on Create a Quiz or Survey, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. QSM has stunning themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now on the quiz setting, we get the option of the initial setup of our form. Like setting a name for the form, selecting what kind of form we are using. Time limit, you can set your time. You could also set up if you want only logged in users to be able to fill the form. Now comes the add-ons section. We get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Right now, we are going to skip this part and let's click on Create Quiz. Alright, so the Questions tab is where we can enter our questions for the rental application form. Let's enter the questions of our application form. Let's start with the first one. After entering the question, on the right-hand side, you can choose the type of question and answer from the drop-down. I am taking the number type question here. Let's mark the question as required, so these questions can't be skipped. For now, then click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Let's click on Create a New Question at the bottom of the Questions tab. Let's create a second question where the user has to enter the possible date. For this question, we will be selecting the date, type question, and then save the question. Alright guys, let's go for another question by clicking on Create a New Question. Now in the third question, let's ask a question to know whether they have pets or not. Let's create this as a multiple choice horizontal format question so that our user could select the proper option. Let's add two options here for the users to choose from. Now all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the email address of the applicants. Click on Add New Field. Let's select the field type and label it as full name. Again, add another contact field. Let's select the field type as email and label it as email address. Now the last one. Let's select the field type and label it as phone number. Alright, so now let's mark this field as required so that we could avoid blank entries without any contact details. Then, click on the Save Contact field. Now, since our question for the form is set and the contact field is configured to collect the data, let's preview our application form by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you can see, we have created the rental property application form successfully. And that's all for this tutorial. Until next time, bye-bye and stay safe.